video, we are going to look at Audacity. It is a free open source audio editor for Macs and PCs that is really useful for teachers to be able to take students' audio productions and edit them together in useful ways. So I've searched for Audacity. I'm going to click on this link, and this brings you to the website where you can download Audacity. So I've already got it downloaded to this computer. I'm going to open it here. And this is a very rich tool, so we're not going to try to look at everything about Audacity, but we'll look at a couple of simple things that you can learn to do, which can help you do a tremendous amount of work in your classroom. And one way Audacity is an editor, a video editor, recorder, I should say. So you can actually call students up and connect them to a computer that has Audacity with a microphone, and they can record their voices. So that's one way you can get voice recordings. You can, get them other ways, like through a phone app or an iPad app or some other kind of recording device. But this is one way. So I've got Audacity open here, and at the top here, you'll notice the same types of symbols that you're used to for recording this red dot and pausing and stopping. So let me just hit the red dot and just record a little bit of voice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to stop it there. So now I have a little bit of a voice file. If I don't want all of the voice, I can kind of click where it seems to taper off, highlight that, and do a Command X or a Control X and get rid of what I don't need. So let's say that I want to keep this voice recording here. I'll go to File, Export. And for the purpose of this, we'll select an MP3 file. There are other file types that you can select there. The first time that you want to export it as an MP3 file, you'll get a message asking you to import the library that goes with Audacity. So let me show you that really quickly as well. It'll take you to there. The link will have a link that'll come right to this page, and what you're looking for is this Lame library. So you'll download that only one time, and it'll be able to export then to MP3 files. So I'm going to just click in here, put a name to it. We'll do student 4 and save. You don't really need to put all these things in, so I'll skip through that. And then it has just appeared over here on my right. So I'm going to get rid of that one. Now there are many different ways you can work with Audacity, and as I mentioned, I'm just showing you one thing. But let's say you over here you have 4 students who've recorded some digital artifact related to their work. Perhaps you're putting together an audiobook and every student is reading a little selection or a few lines or something like that. And you may need to sometimes connect these files together. So I'm going to grab one of them and just bring it over here. And if I would grab a second one, let's see what happens. It would put it right underneath it, but then if I tried to play it, I'd hear both voices on top of each other. So I'm going to remove that one. And we don't want to do that. And actually, I can bring that back because I want to show you what to do with this issue. This is just one simple way to get it all in one line. I'm going to highlight the second student's voice, just like I'd highlight text in a Word document. And then I'm going to do Command C or Control C to copy it to the clipboard. Then I'm going to clip over here at the end of the previous one and paste it, just like I paste text. And then I'll get rid of that one so there's no confusion. And look here, now the two are together. Let's drag in a third student's words. So here's a third student, and I can see where the voice has been talking. And I'm going to copy that just like I'd copy text. click over here to the end wherever I would like it and paste it in. Get rid of that track so we don't have that overlapping and so on. So you could continue to do that, for as long as you need to. Obviously, it's better or easier with shorter amounts of audio files, but you can stitch your audio files together that way. Now, let's say you've finished and you've got it all stitched together the way that you want to. Let me point out a couple things. As you get better at this, there may be other things that you want to do. So there's always this help function up here. Audacity does have a really good help menu available. So little by little, as you want to get fancier and learn other things, please avail yourself of the help. Also, just doing a web search of what you want to learn often produces the results. There's a lot of people who posted about Audacity. It's a very mature tool that's been out there a while. For those of you who are Mac users, I should mention GarageBand is another good one. This is not the only one, but I am showing you one that's available to everybody for free. So ready to go here, I'm going to do File Export, and what it's going to do is export this entire file. So again, save it, and here it's shown up, the final file. So I don't need Audacity anymore. You can save this as a file that you can come back and edit. It's up to you. I'm going to just say no, quit out of it. Okay, so now we have this file. Let's see what we can do with it. I'm just going to give you one idea here. Many teachers have websites or wikis for their class. So I'm going to pick a blank page here of a wiki that I have. And I'm going to, maybe I will call it Student Audiobook 1. This is a Wikispaces wiki. I'm going to say File. I'm going to navigate to the file that I need. Obviously, this again works better with smaller files. Got it there. And it is uploading right now. So there it is. I'm going to save this page. And now I have my file right there. It will play within my website or my wiki. And I have my student work up there to share, to collaborate. So have a great deal of fun with Audacity. It is a great tool that you'll find a lot of use for, and the fact that it's free really makes it a great tool for you. So enjoy and have fun.